Wayne Small Snow Removal with a catchy tune. We will get you clear real soon. It's dark behind the wheel, so of course you'll get a mega deal. He could use the force, but hard work has got him on a better course, earning them dimes, one small snow removal job at a time. So don't you worry and don't you fret, 'cause Wayne Small Snow Removal is gonna give you the cleanest job yet.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here on the deck. As you can tell, it's starting to snow. So I'm going to play around a little bit. I did want to throw in here when I'm doing this is the pack I'm running, guys. The little 3300 Turnigy 11.1 volt 3-cell. Check these out, guys. This is my new favorite pack for this truck because it's 3D printed. It fits down in my hood area really good. And the last time we did all the plowing in the last video, we only used like 20% of this battery. This is a Hobbywing Fusion Pro in here, so it's not like we're doing a lot of draw on it, but great effing packs. So let me get this in there and let's get this deck cleaned up. Yes, Darth, your battery is charged. Let's go.
Get on the way.
Coming out of your pay, Darth. Okay, Darth, that's good for the deck. The county's gonna come by with the big scoop and take care of the banks. Great job. Let's go down to the bottom and finish that up before this storm gets any worse. Hey, I said no taking breaks. All you gotta do is get this walkway done, and then you can take the rest of the day off, go find the rebel base.
snowy place. What a snowy place.
All right, Darth, you're good to go. Great job. Go on. Go find the rebel scum. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back and say thanks for watching all the silly nonsense with the plow truck and Darth Vader figure. I'm weird. It is what it is. Get out and play, guys. I know it's cold, but shit. See what I'm doing? I'm out here making plows just so I can play. I can't sit in this house and, you know, hide from the cold. Put a jacket on, put an extra pair of socks on, get out and play, guys. Later.
Get out.